My people, no be smart, you know. They say that Ikenga Uruagu, who was the mass speaking art of Ipob, they say the guy don't change. Ikenga Uruagu is now praying for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to buy in DSS custody or to buy in Nigeria prison. According to this video I go play now, J-Pack don't come outside. They can't debunk so many things and can't tell and say he was the one who is instigating violence and making people to go and buy people. Don't read though. I bet may you watch this video and hear as this guy they attack the people when they speak for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Watch the video before we come back and continue.
Politician from Abia State, my brother or my father, whoever that you think you are to me. If you want to defend somebody, defend that person. Don't bring Igbo into what you are doing. Don't bring Igbo. Stop setting us up. The person you are defending is so good, but you will not let your children to join him. Whatever Biafra they are fighting for is so good, but you will not even go and present it before the president. But you will come and tell us that we are doing it good, but you don't want to present it in the house. Why are you people so deceitful now? Why are you people deceiving the youth? You knew it's not possible to grant somebody who is facing terrorism charges any permission to go to, any hospital of his choice.
Ikenga Uruagu, Bara ferofe na adinjo. Too much of everything is very, very bad. All the very, very bad. I could remember maybe the mouthpiece of Ipob. I could remember, according to you, now past 11 years, came over with these people about Ipob. That 11 years, you never see them as evil. 11 years later, you are singing them, praising them, carrying their matter for head everywhere. Even during the answers, Naba, all your videos can be wow. During the answers, Naba. Simenka. In South Africa, na BC, a man a honor. So good. I know a day like this will come that you are a bunch of betrayers. Even those people you think you are working for, they know you as a bloody betrayer. Even the buyer will not trust you. In another blame this chief from Abia State, Nnamdi Kanu. He never blame, let him speak for himself. Now Nnamdi Kanu, I heard you saying terrorism case. Ikenga Fano, not Ikenga Uruagu, because it can never be somebody like you can never be Ikenga and Uruagu. Uruagu is a kingdom. You can never be that Ikenga. He will be Ikenga Fano, Ikenga bingo cable. Ikenga Fano the cable. Look at Italy man in a video in a challenge. Because of okay, let me ask you, made a broadcast no open air, both channel television, everybody know there. We may broadcast that what is happening in the southeast. Na can the politicians no name, never can the on don't government, they are the politicians. Video, you have never analyzed that video. I was even watching for you to analyze that video. You skip way as usual. Bandits na Casteda na Gasare, local government of Casteda. Potara na Igwe with the arms and the wood Igwe na sophisticated weapon. When they make video na woman nka. Open air. Ikenga Uruagu. Even a video you corner that video. He corner that video. Me kone. Nandi Babron de bandits. Ndi Babron terrorism. No ndasa terrorism. And you believe in one Nigeria, Ikenga Fano. You believe in one Nigeria. So when there one Nigeria that no na hamagari a general fair treatment. When there will be Zagon. Na ndi boni nebu bizagon. Ndi boni ne Ibores ni nebu bizagon. They are not part of Nigeria. They are not one Nigeria. What is given to Mr. A can never be given to Mr. B. The treatment you give to the Northerners, you cannot give them to the Eastern. And the treatment you give to the Westerners, you cannot even extend it to the Easterners. And you call yourself Ikenga Fano. Oh, you're not from today, Ikenga Fano Kemo. Because he even okay. He wasn't even okay. I was waiting for you. All this that is happening in Lagos State, here one day how to bring their properties and their Konobaha down to East. Can maybe the guy develop, but you never say so. No, but in your job that Patology, Ijele was we brought this guy, Bidoda, no penty, black. See, let me tell you, your kind 1 million can never bring Igbo race down. Let me tell you, look at me, eyeball to eyeball. Here, but now you brother would have removed my eyeglass. Your kind 1 million can never bring Igbo race down. If you are not a true son of Igbo person, I myself am born one Igbo, Mpamumba one Igbo, Mambi Igbo, Obaramu Igbo, Nukumpamberi, Anderi, Abro Yujo. You think that no Kibia, please your masters, Kibia so that can always bomb money. Time shall come in South Africa. Be a Batama Nigeria, you still come. Batama Ben the guy in our Uruagu, I'll be your child, your root, your original root, Abro Uruagu. Because all you Uruagu, or Uruagu cannot do this. Uruagu cannot harbor a person like you. Everybody you just that was on you, Madam, 11 years ago in South Africa, you don't know, there's already under the umbrella of Nnamdi Kanu, there's already under the umbrella of Ipob. So that had the Buranisi, MA Frag, given our champion, all the whole protest. Do you think we have forgotten? And yet, we do Uruagu in our champion all the protests at the men Southeast. In South Africa, if you call him a terrorist, terrorism charges, they could say Uruagu, beg arrest because he's so Nnamdi Kanu. Since you call him a terrorist, imagine so the terrorist because he's a champion of protests. All the protests he's a champion there in South Africa. Remember the ESN, he's a champion there, so they support ESN. Now Nnamdi Kanu terrorist now. Because now, if the publicly denounce, even if you don't want to, obuli uniga Biafra, obuli uniga Ipob, Ipob half of money, obuli uniga an association. If you want to denounce the association, you deny it on yourself. Ni mo bigi. Obuli denounce say, "I say, no, you can't baseball money. He baseball money. Since he's way me che, obuli he's like I don't want fresh. Now I don't want fresh. Now, but before Uruagu, Ikenga. He began on South Africa. He began in South Africa. This year, next year, he will be Bataba. The same South I have now. Okweba do Doguni all for one, Mando for United. All the big boys in South Africa. Christmas have an hour hotel, now then, now Rose, now Papumeli, never even they empowerment. In South Africa for years, also put a microphone. Probably take it to Facebook, go to Rob, he will catch $1,000 or $500 because he wasn't view. In a chocolate time, he got on Debo, he will view. He did one single view. He will a content creator. Open a my content, and I am going on a banner Southeast content creator. Can I blend the go case and make content and blogging? Open a bomb the Kuma and Debo. He builds Bomaka Amusu. See, they can only say right down on your comment section, but down within themselves, they know you as a bunch of betrayer. He gave betray Wundibo. He gave betray Wundibo. Ever since 1960 till date, Babu president, Ikenga, Ikenga Fano, Kedoyebu president. Ojekwe a Mabata Newton and Mahife. When anyone has some stable president of Nigeria, if I may ask you, when Ojukwu came back from Ivory Coast, for more Africa with Indo, why they put a high support for the president of Nigeria? Mbaba the president of Nigeria, Chitaraja, all distant force, Kojuku Batara, to tell you that no way based on ever since Nnamdi Kanu, Borocha ceremonial president for 3 years and again, because he's not even the main president. Oyabu president is the prime minister, ceremonial president. After the Nnamdi Kanu, who else but the president of Nigeria? One day work about Izu, first Senate president. Till today, we got you boss next mail upper chamber. The answer is no. Onye nke smell the smell mbo ike kwere mmadụ bụ vice senate president ọ nọ in prison. O nwere na-eji okwu arụ ihe ike kwere mmadụ mere today ọ bụ emeghe ọ bụ na ihe o mere today o nwere ebe ya esi wee compare wee n'ihe ndị ugwu na-eme on daily basis. Ego a na-ebupụ n'obodo a emefeli ọkwọ ebechara ikpe ọmada free. O nwere ọnụ kwuru elu ebe ka ị nọ sọsọ ịkọtọ ndị Igbo ka ara bụ ọnụ ọbụla na-ekwu ivụlụ against nwa afọ Igbo ọbụla ga-eji ala sere mmiri. Nwa nkakwụ ị na-akpa isi ka nwaanyị ozu.
My people, no be small thing, no. As you dey watch this video, make sure say you share am because it don red for this last one. They say at the ending time, many people will rise against their masters. Na wetin dey happen now. Then share the video and drop your own opinion in comment section.